Hello, you are welcome back to Everything Foodie, and today I'm back with another amazing, healthy recipe that you always want to enjoy. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, follow us, share this video, and give us a like and leave a comment. Okay, and to start this ingredient, I'm going to use my prepared or washed integral rice. Okay, we are going to use integral rice, no, that rice that doesn't have taste. So today I'm going to show you how to cook it to have taste. All right, so I added some garlic, some potato and carrots to it. Okay, and I will go ahead to add some tomato paste, and this contains tomatoes, pepper, onions, bell pepper, you know, ginger, garlic. Okay, fried. All right, and I added some crayfish. Okay, and I went ahead to add some salt, some chicken stock, and I added some pepper. Okay, and some curry, nutmeg, thyme. Okay, and added. I will leave the description. I will leave the detail or the spices I use on this. So kind of added water. You need to add enough water because this rice it absorbs water. Okay, and it takes a while to cook. I use like 1.5 liters of water to cook this 500 grams of rice. Okay, all right. So and I will cover it to cook. Okay, so if you are the type that you don't like cooking integral rice, this recipe is for you. You can see at this point the water is almost dried, okay, but not all dried, and I went ahead to add some egg. This recipe is everything. Okay, if you're the type that don't enjoy eating integral rice, try this recipe. Okay, definitely you will like it. Try this recipe. It's very healthy and easy to cook. The only thing is that it takes time because the water, okay, the rice absorbs water, so you have to cook it and allow it to absorb water, and you don't really need to allow it to, to dry like when you're cooking jollof rice. You allow all the water to dry. Okay, you can see the rice is now done. At this point, my kitchen is booming, and my kids they love this recipe so much. Trying to eat healthy, intentionally eating healthy. Okay, that is what we do on this page, on this space, everything foodie space. Intentionally eating healthy. Okay, you can see the egg. I loved the ginger, the garlic, the carrot, and the potato. Okay, you just see it, and this is the egg. I love having this egg on my plate when I'm eating this recipe. Okay, go ahead and try this recipe and leave me your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to share. Okay, it tastes so good. It's guaranteed if you use this recipe. Okay, you are not going to eat white rice again. This is going to be your rice. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us, like this video, and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you. I will see you again. God bless you.